While you rest in the silence of 3 a.m., a few feet away, a transformation is occurring that defies everything you thought you knew about your dog's loyalty. It begins with a rhythmic twitch of the paw, a muffled huff, and a peculiar sequence of behaviors that modern canine psychology is only just beginning to decode. You might call it a dream, but researchers at the Harvard Evolutionary Biology Department call it something far more profound. A biological synchronization that bridges two different species through the darkness. To understand this mystery, we have to look at a groundbreaking study from the University of Tokyo. They discovered that dogs don't just sleep near us, they are performing a nightly vagus nerve audit. It's a silent, neurological scan of your safety, and it starts the second your REM cycle begins. This leads to a discovery that most owners ignore: the midnight guardian drift. Have you ever woken up to find your dog has moved from the foot of the bed to your side, or shifted their weight to press against the floorboards? This isn't for comfort. It is an ancient, predatory defense mechanism encoded in their DNA. But the mystery goes deeper than physical proximity. Scientists at the Oxford Canine Lab have monitored the oxytocin feedback loop during the midnight hours. Even while asleep, your dog's brain chemistry responds to the scent of your deepening breath. They are quite literally inhaling your stress levels to filter them through their own system. If you find this insight valuable, consider subscribing to help us uncover more of the hidden lives of our companions. Because what we found next changes everything. There is a specific chirp or whimper dogs make at approximately 4 a.m. It's not a reaction to a dream about a squirrel. It is a biological check-in. This nightly vigil is rooted in the thalamic gateway theory. While your brain shuts out the world to repair itself, your dog's brain keeps a split-screen consciousness. One half is in deep rest, while the other is tuned to the frequency of your heart. They are acting as a biological alarm system, but not for intruders, for you. But the most haunting part of this behavior is what researchers call olfactory cartography. While you are paralyzed in deep sleep, your dog is creating a 3D map of the house using only their scent receptors. They aren't just resting, they are patrolling the perimeter of your subconscious. This leads to a discovery that challenges our entire understanding of canine affection. It's called temporal anchoring. As the sun begins to approach the horizon, your dog's heart rate begins a slow, deliberate climb to match your waking state. They are essentially pulling you back to consciousness. The strange thing they do, the pressing of their back against yours or the sudden shift to the floor, is a biostatic grounding. They are offloading the electrical tension they've absorbed from monitoring your REM cycles. It is a sacrifice of their own comfort for your neurological stability. The big reveal, the secret hidden in their DNA, is that dogs don't sleep for themselves, they sleep for us. They have evolved a parasympathetic shield that allows them to process the sounds and scents of the night so your brain doesn't have to. When you wake up feeling refreshed, it is because your dog spent 8 hours being your biological filter.